First, we are going to see the small movement of cube. To do this, we need to know some rules. First, the green slider and the timeline. Next, the animation tab and keyframe. These tools are very important to create this simple animation. So now at the 0 position, I am going to insert a keyframe. Since it is about the movement, we need to choose location keyframe. When you added a keyframe, you can see a yellow mark like this. Now in the 20th position, I am going to make some movement. Now move the cube to some distance. Again click insert and choose location. Again check whether the keyframe was added. Okay, now play the animation. That's all. It is the way to create a movement for a object.